Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry here at Achema. It's day 3. I'm at the Syntegon booth and I'm delighted to be joined by Christian Lavarreda, who has actually been a guest on my Chats with Chaudhry video series where we talked about bioprocessing and his webinar series. So Christian, it's lovely to finally meet you in person. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Great to see you again and be with you, Dick.
Yeah, it's great to see you, Christian. So first question though, we're at day 3 in Achema. How was days 1 and 2?
Yeah, we are so happy to be there, being able to see customers again in person. It's been a long wait, but it's been worth the wait. We've been very, very pleasantly surprised with participation from customers from all over the world that have made the trip.
Brilliant. Now, you are going to give me a quick overview of one of the systems you've got here. So what are we talking about today?
Yes, thank you again for the opportunity to show you one of our innovations. This is a modular approach to processing technology. It's called the SVP Formulation System. And it's essentially being able to bring the advantages of modular design to process customers that have projects where they need flexibility and they are also working with tight timelines, and these solutions need to be delivered then quickly. So modularity enables that for our customers.
Fantastic. So talk me through it.
Yeah, well, let's show you around a little bit.
Sure.
So the first thing that you notice is that the system is comprised of more than just your typical processing vessel on a skid. So you see a lot more here. You see a central platform, you see a clean room wall, you see a clean room ceiling element with a lighting and a unidirectional airflow. And behind, which we'll show you next, you will also see the technical skids separated out. So it really is a turnkey solution that drops into the customer's clean room rather than having basically multiple construction activities at the customer site. We deliver a package that is ready to be deployed. So the idea is minimize on-site activities, minimize dirty activities on site, so there's just a clean, fast installation. So the customer chooses how many processing vessels do they need for their product, be it a vaccine, being a biologic product that we're formulating here. And then they also choose how many storage vessels they need once the product has been formulated. So that's the split between left and right here. Processing on the left with preparation of the product, and then storing under the appropriate conditions the finished product on the right. And everything controlled from a central controller station with HMI in a ergonomically accessible fashion at the center of the platform. We configure all the vessels with all the functionality that the customer needs. The customer just tells us what is the product mix that they have, and then we outfit each of the vessels with the right automatic functions.
Brilliant. Can we go up and have a look?
Let's take a look at the back as well, because that is essential. It minimizes the footprint in the clean room space, and that reduces significantly the customer's cost from an operating perspective. As many of you know, it's very expensive to run a clean room environment. Hello. So this is a view from the system from the back, essentially the dirty side.
Right.
Everything that does not need to be in the clean room environment is outside the clean room environment. And what we have here is essentially the automated media supply for the preparation of operations, so the dosing of the WFI for the preparation of the product, along with the cleaning and sterilization in place module that is automated. So you see the chemical tanks with their plastic containment bucket here over on the left side, together with the filtration elements and the dosing elements for the control of the administration of the SIP recipe for the tanks. We also have a novel concept where the product filters can undergo inline integrity testing automatically as well. So one of the features of the system is being able to do as much as possible automatically, right? So for batch release purposes, documentation in a GMP environment, the more automation you have, the better off you are as a customer in terms of convenient and risk management in that pharmaceutical production environment.
Brilliant. Can we see the front of it as well? Because I didn't go up the steps to actually show what was up the front.
Yes, let's show you a few features of those vessels.
Let's go around this side as well.
So this would be the ergonomic operator control station, where you would have ready access to basically the substance addition and the substance monitoring of the process that is taking place. We have a powder dosing station here with an alpha beta port. Traditionally, you can see these vessels are standard designed for high pressure, up to typically 5-6 bar standard for process flexibility for a variety of products. And the variety of valve manifolds here, it looks a little bit complicated, but that is essentially the reason why we're able to do so many things in an automated fashion here. All the functionality is built in.
Fantastic. And on this side?
On this side, we have actually something that really illustrates the flexibility of the system. This is meant as a storage tank, but can be used also as a second processing tank. If the customer wants to bring in a mobile vessel for storage, then this can start processing the second batch for formulation activities. So, as to be expected from us, from Syntegon and the quality that we make, so every aspect of this metal work is impeccably finished, whether automated or manual welds done to the standards that our customers expect.
Brilliant, Christian. Well, thank you for giving me such a detailed overview of the system. That's really interesting. Now, obviously, if people are here at Achema, they'll come and see you in Hall 3.1 and see the booth. But for people who can't make it here this week, where else can they get more information?
Yeah. They can get more information on our website, or why not link up through you on LinkedIn, and we're happy to start the conversation there as well.
Fantastic. So there you go, viewers. If you are here at Achema at the moment, then check out the Syntegon booth on 3.1. Come and chat to Christian and the rest of the team about this and the many other solutions they've got here on the booth. If you can't make it though, you can see them at many other shows which are coming up in the near future. But if you can't do that, then you can obviously go, as Christian said, link up with them on LinkedIn, check out their LinkedIn pages, and also go to the website. So Christian, it's lovely to see you again in person. Have a great Achema, and viewers, I hope you found that interesting. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Great to be with you, Wilson.